Hey guys, how are you all? I am Aishwarya and welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will again learn to make one design of innovative ring. I have made this specially using these pearls and beads which you will really enjoy watching, and it's very easy and very quick to make. And as there is no much of sticking of glue here, there is no glue is used, and it looks so classy, right? You can see. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. And if you are following my channel on a regular basis but haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I request you to press the subscribe button and also press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. And now, without wasting time, let's get started.
So first we'll take the L'Oreals, and I'm taking this 20 gauge wire, and we'll add approx 10 L'Oreals in this. And once we added 10 L'Oreals, we'll make a knot of this wire. So I'll quickly add these 10 L'Oreals and then like this, and then we'll just make a knot, and I'll use the plier to make the knot so that we can have a knot very properly. So you can see I have made this knot, and we have secured the pearl L'Oreals. Now now we will take oxidized bead. So this is, you can say, 10 mm oxidized bead, and you can cut the wire and this part will go in that oxidized bead. So this is how it looks. So now I'm taking this 10 mm oxidized bead and we'll insert this, and now we're gonna add lots of L'Oreals. So I'll quickly add them. So oxidized beads and L'Oreals combination has worked very well, and it's so pretty and classy. So do try to make this video at home, and it's very easy to make. You can literally make this in just 5 minutes. So you will require approx like 50 to 60 L'Oreals for this patch, and we just have to add it manually one by one. There is no other option. So this is how it looks. And now again we'll add this oxidized bead, and then again we will repeat the process, which is that we are gonna add 10 L'Oreals and we'll make a knot. So that's it. So with this, this pretty ring is ready. So now we'll add this knot, 10 L'Oreals, and again we'll make a knot. So make sure that there won't be any gap between the knot and this pearl bead, this oxidized bead. So make sure to have it very tightly and knot it. You can also use plier and cutter to have it proper. So now we have added this, and now we have to add the ring base. So for that I'm taking this ring base, and you can see there is a holes in that. So for that we'll add this 30 gauge wire now from the two holes of this, like this, and then we'll keep this ring base in the middle, and just go on wrapping this wire to this ring base so that we can attach properly. And make sure that you attach this ring base to the ring very tightly so that it won't move at all, otherwise it will again fall down. For the safe side, you can also add this B6000 glue to the ring base so that it will have a little you can say strength, and so so that the ring base won't fall. So yeah, with this ring is ready. Ta-da! If you like this tutorial, do like to the video. Do subscribe to my channel to watch amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you soon. Till then, this is Aishwarya signing off.